Ever wondered where all the waste from your toilet actually goes? Most people flush and never think twice. The water disappears, the bowl becomes clean again, and life goes on. But what happens when that waste doesn't just vanish? Where does it go? Who handles it? And how do they do it safely? The answer begins with something most of us overlook: the septic tank. Beneath homes and properties all over the world, underground septic tanks quietly collect wastewater, solid waste, and everything flushed down drains. For a while, everything works perfectly. The tank collects water and solids, the system processes the waste, and no problems arise. But like any system, it has its limits. Over time, these tanks fill, and if they're not emptied, the consequences can be messy, smelly, and dangerous. This is where septic trucks come in. These massive vehicles perform one of the dirtiest jobs imaginable, yet without them, homes, neighborhoods, and even cities could face overflowing sewage, environmental contamination, and serious public health risks. And the way they work is more fascinating than most people realize. Your septic tank starts filling the moment you begin using your home. Every toilet flush, every shower, every sink, and even every load of laundry contributes to the tank's content. Over months and years, solids settle at the bottom, grease and oils float to the top, and wastewater remains in the middle. Everything that leaves your home eventually ends up here. And while you might think it's just a simple storage container, the science behind emptying it safely is incredibly precise. When a septic truck arrives, the operation begins. First, the crew locates and opens the septic tank. This is no trivial task. Depending on the property, the tank could be buried under several feet of soil, surrounded by concrete or landscaping, or partially hidden by vegetation. Once located, the tank must be opened carefully to prevent spills or exposure to harmful bacteria. Safety is paramount from the very first moment. Next, the truck is connected to the tank using a large, reinforced hose. At first glance, this hose looks like any ordinary tube, but it is far from ordinary. Its design allows it to handle thick sludge, liquid waste, and debris simultaneously, all while resisting damage from the corrosive materials inside the tank. But how does the truck actually remove the waste? Most people think of it as sucking it out, but that's not entirely accurate. The process relies on a principle called vacuum pressure. Inside the truck is a powerful vacuum pump. This pump removes air from the storage tank, creating a low-pressure environment inside. Nature abhors a pressure difference. The higher pressure outside the hose naturally pushes the waste toward the lower pressure area inside the truck. It's this simple yet powerful concept that allows thousands of gallons of waste to be moved efficiently and safely. Once inside the truck, the waste doesn't just pile up haphazardly. Septic trucks are carefully engineered to manage the contents. Tanks are divided into compartments to balance weight and prevent shifting during transport. Filters separate air, liquids, and solids, protecting the pump and other mechanical components. Without these systems, even a minor miscalculation could lead to a catastrophic failure. The filtration system is particularly important. As waste rushes into the truck, air is carried along with it. If the vacuum pump were exposed directly to this air and debris, it could be damaged almost instantly. Filters act as bodyguards for the machinery, allowing air to escape while keeping solids and liquids moving in a controlled manner. These systems are designed to handle the variety and volume of waste they encounter every day, which is no small feat considering the chemical and biological properties of human and household waste. As the tank fills, pressure and weight management become critical. Water is heavy. 1 gallon weighs over 8 pounds. Multiply that by thousands of gallons, and the truck is carrying several tons of material. The tanks must withstand this immense weight while remaining structurally sound during driving, turning, and braking. Engineers design these vehicles with reinforced steel and specialized construction techniques to ensure the contents remain contained at all times. By this point, it's clear that what seems like a simple operation, removing waste from a tank, is actually a combination of physics, engineering, and careful planning. Every hose, valve, and filter has a purpose. Every process is carefully calculated to prevent spills, injuries, or damage to the truck. And yet, this is only the first half of the journey. Once the truck is full, it must transport the waste to a treatment facility. And that's where the work continues. But before we get to that, it's worth noting the skill and expertise required by the operators. Driving a fully loaded septic truck requires careful handling. The weight is massive, and the material inside is fluid and unpredictable. One sudden turn or stop could be dangerous if not managed properly. Operators are trained extensively to handle these vehicles safely, navigating urban streets and rural roads with precision. At this stage, the truck is fully loaded, systems are running smoothly, and the crew prepares to move to the treatment site. But this is where most people stop thinking about the journey. In reality, the waste story is far from over, and the engineering marvels of the truck are only one piece of a much larger system designed to protect public health and the environment. Now that we understand how the waste is collected and stored inside the truck, it's time to look at the next stages: safety, transport, treatment, and why this all matters so much. One of the most critical aspects of septic truck operation is safety. Because the waste is heavy, toxic, and potentially hazardous, every truck is equipped with multiple safety systems. Pressure relief valves prevent overpressurization, monitoring gauges track the vacuum pump and tank pressure, and emergency shutoffs allow operators to stop the system immediately if something goes wrong. These precautions are not optional, they're essential. Even a minor malfunction can result in damage to the truck, environmental contamination, or serious injury. Once the truck leaves the property, it's filled with thousands of liters of heavy waste. Transporting it safely requires precision driving, careful attention to load balance, and adherence to strict protocols. Operators must navigate roads with a dynamic load that can shift during turns, stops, and acceleration. Improper handling could be disastrous, not just for the truck, but for everyone around it. When the truck arrives at a treatment facility, the next part of the journey begins. Contrary to what many imagine, the waste is not simply dumped. It undergoes several stages of processing to ensure safety, environmental protection, and regulatory compliance. Large solids are removed, organic matter is broken down, and contaminants are treated. Liquids are purified so that they can safely return to the environment, completing a cycle that starts every time someone flushes a toilet. The treatment process highlights an important point. Septic trucks are just one component of a much larger system designed to protect public health. Without these trucks, tanks would overflow, streets could become contaminated, and entire neighborhoods could be at risk. Their role is essential, and yet it's one of the most overlooked jobs in modern infrastructure. Beyond safety and treatment, there's another aspect worth considering: scale. A single truck can service dozens of tanks in a single day, moving thousands of gallons of waste safely from homes to treatment plants. That efficiency is only possible because of careful design, engineering, and skilled operators working together. It's a remarkable coordination of human skill and mechanical innovation. For many people, the idea of handling human waste is unpleasant. But it's also fascinating when you consider the complexity of the system. From vacuum pressure to filtration, tank reinforcement, and transport, septic trucks represent one of the most ingenious solutions to an everyday problem that most people never see. So why does this matter to you? Every flush, every sink, every drain in your home relies on these systems. Without them, modern sanitation would be impossible. Contamination, disease outbreaks, and environmental hazards would be everyday concerns. Septic trucks quietly prevent these issues, maintaining safety and hygiene for entire communities. And here's something you might not realize: the next time you flush, a chain of processes is set into motion. That simple act triggers a series of engineering marvels, coordinated with skill, precision, and careful planning. The waste leaves your home, enters a tank, is collected by a truck, transported, and finally treated, all to ensure that you remain safe and your environment stays clean. In essence, septic trucks are unsung heroes of modern life. They're not flashy, they're not glamorous, and most people don't notice them. Yet they perform a critical role in keeping communities functional and healthy. They represent the intersection of physics, engineering, safety, and public health, all hidden behind a seemingly simple operation. So next time you see a septic truck on the road, take a moment to appreciate what's happening. These machines, operators, and systems are keeping neighborhoods clean, protecting waterways, and ensuring that public health standards are met every single day. If you found this fascinating, there's so much more to explore about the hidden systems that keep our world running. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a behind-the-scenes look at the machines and processes that make modern life possible. Trust me, there's a lot more engineering magic hiding in plain sight than you ever imagined. And remember, every flush has a story. Every septic truck is part of that story. Next time, think about the engineering, the skill, and the technology that goes into what most of us consider a simple, everyday action. It's a lot more amazing, and a lot dirtier, than you probably thought.